Let's look at our Wave 1 7-inch 4-color stainless marine dome lights. After the success of our dual-color dome lights and unique Wave 1 4-color internal driver courtesy lights, we have combined the best of both concepts to offer two great 4-color options. One has onboard switching and one has our unique external switching technology. Both have a classic beautifully polished stainless body with a true marine tinned wire that can handle salt air. Always look for our Wave 1 authentic hologram to assure your light's quality. Our unique stainless polishing process gives a higher luster and corrosion resistance that we're known for in the industry. A classic design with a modern LED upgrade. Easy to install surface mount with the 3 included stainless screws. We offer 2 models, one with onboard switching, one with external switching. Onboard switching has a rocker switch directly on the light to change colors. Each time you flick the switch, the next color will illuminate. This is great for areas where you can reach the light. Option 2 is external switching. Using our Wave 1 technology, you can use any external rocker or toggle switch to cycle through each color. By flicking your switch, the color will change. This is great for locations you can't reach and a perfect choice if you want to install and control multiple lights on one single switch. All Wave 1 Marine products are designed and saltwater tested right here in Florida. Thanks so much for watching the video.